VirtualBox Installation Introduction. Mounting ACC Hypervisor using VirtualBox. Visit official website to download VirtualBox. Select the host system version. Next, visit the ACC official website. Download the latest ACC OVA file. Open the installation file to install VirtualBox. Follow the steps to complete. Once installed, minimize the window. Decompress the ACC OVA file. Open VirtualBox after decompression. Open menu and import the OVA file. And open the decompressed file path. Mount the OVA file to VirtualBox. Check if VM settings are correct. OS type should be Red Hat. CPU needs 4 cores minimum. RAM needs 8 GB minimum. Reinitialize all network MAC addresses. Apply settings and import the OVA. Double-check settings before running VM. RAM must be within green safety range. CPU must be within green safety range. Confirm VM network bridging. Select bridge adapter and the active network card. ACC installation environment is now complete. Installation introduction concluded.